Hey guys, it's Kenneth Ramirez again with another weekly video. This week I'm talking about my pet rock. So let's take a look at the adoption process of my rock. We're actually doing more like supervised visits right now, not quite into the adopting yet, more of an acquaintance. This is a headstone at Pier Marquette Beach, as you can see, in memory of those who lost their lives off the piers. And thanks to those who tried to save them. So anyway, I just kind of thought this was cool. I was doing my lab with my basketball teammate, and we thought it'd be cool to do our project on this one. So yeah, go into the testing process now here. So we tested the hardness of this rock. It was harder than glass, as you can see. There's some scratches there. Let's see if I can blow that up a little bit for you guys to see a little better. Yeah, there's some scratches there. Revert that. There you go. And then we tested the visible texture. Obviously, we decided it was phaneritic, as you can see. There's large chunks in there, and clearly macroscopic parts of the rock. So, and then the composition of the rock we determined was felsic, as mostly lighter in color. As you can see, there's a lot of pink in there. I'll blow that one up for you as well. Lots of pink in there. It's my shoes. Look at that. Look at the rock. But yeah, so mostly pink, and there's also darker parts in there. We found several things about this rock. We saw some cool cleavage planes, as you can kind of see here. The flash kind of helps you delineate what the cleavage planes are, but there's some pretty cool cleavage planes here as well. Very colorful rock and lots of cool textures within there. But yeah, we decided it was an igneous rock, and we decided we thought it was granite. So yeah, that's my pet rock.